Hey gang, Puppy here. We're not in the shop, but we are doing actual work. That's right. We're gonna make something right now. Let's get the POV cam pulled up here and all that. Now, a little bit of background. This part right here, you see stainless steel disc with a hole and looks like a copper disc in the middle. Turn it over. You can see how it's attached there. That copper disc in the middle of this stainless steel disc has a 50 micron hole in it. This is a mammography aperture for pinhole photography. They call it mammography. It did not work for my laser positioning device. Using this, and anyway, I'm not going to go into the laser positioning. Check out Last Stab at Accumulating the Filthy Lucre. That starts it in the story. Okay, now, did this off camera since everybody knows you use the torch, you get the pokey part hot, you poke a hole in the caps. You take a Sharpie thing and go scrape, 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 so they'll sit flat. Ah! Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. I gotta go get a pair of pliers to open the glue. What's that tell you about the glue if you need a tool to unscrew the cap? It might be sticky. There we go. One pair, that's one each, slip joint plier. See that? Here we go. This is the one part of this job I didn't think out in advance. Opening the glue. This is shoe goo. I understand it's a urethane. Someone put a glob of it on. Yeah, the bottom of a planter's can. There we go. Put the cap back on for it all escapes. Now, take some shoe goo and going around the hole. Making sure is to get enough of it there so that you guarantee a seal, but not too much so that you guarantee a seal it up and never be able to use it. What's he making? Yeah, we'll go this side up. Now, go around it again. go around here a little bit, just reinforce this connection here a little bit. This shoe goo is a bit cold. I keep it in a little cube fridge, you know, a dorm room cube, big enough for a 6-pack and a sandwich. Now, that's centered. That's centered good enough. What are we making, Poppy? Here's a big iced tea jug. I put ground coffee and cold water in it. A little bit of filter paper here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use just coffee filter paper or Wattman number 5. I know my Wattman number 5, nothing bigger than 1/1,000,000th of an inch going to go and get to my 50 micron aperture. Okay. Ground coffee and water. Screw this on. This is about a liter size bottle. Screw that on. Turn it over. The water and the coffee, they interact. The water takes good stuff out of the coffee and it goes drip, drip, drip. Really slow drip. I mean, like drip. A half hour from now, drip. Really slow drip. Coffee extraction. You can pay over $100 for a cold extract coffee maker if you can find it anymore. Get some of this excess off of here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this all cure. Then I'm going to see if I got some heat shrink big enough to go over here and shrink it down on it. But as for right now, this is Cold Extract Coffee Maker Project Part 1.